Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Fashion Iksha. First, trace a front basic block or any component. After tracing, mark 1 inches from center front. So this 1 inches is for the button closure. After marking, draw a line parallel to center front. After this, extend the center front line for about 3 to 4 inches. This is for the collar shaping. And same thing for the button closure line as well. Extend the line for about 3 to 4 inches. And now, from the highest point of shoulder, mark neck deep, or you can say collar height as well. Here I am marking it for 12 inches. So this marking has to be done at the button closure line itself. Mark it at the 12 inches, and now draw a straight line joining to the highest point of shoulder, and again extend this line for about 3 inches. So why this 3 to 4 inches is 3 inches is of the neck width which is there. So approximately increase about 3 to 4 inches. From the shoulder slope, mark half an inches downwards and draw a line joining highest point of shoulder. This is for the shoulder sloping. And now from the highest point of shoulder, draw a straight line that is a perpendicular to F button closure line. Now, measure the front neck width, that is 3 inches, and that 3 inches same measurement has to be marked on the extended line. Once after marking, from that point mark half an inches outward. This half an inches outward is for a collar shaping. And now draw a line joining from the point to highest point of shoulder, and now from the point draw a line at the angle of 90 degree. Now measure the front neck width, that is 3 inches, and same thing you have to measure at the back neck collar, that is the center of the back neck collar. So mark it at the 3 inches, and now locate a midpoint at the front neck width, so that is 1.5 inches, and the same you have to do at the center of the back neck collar, that is 1.5 inches. Now from the neck deep, draw a line joining to the mid of the front neck width, and again you have to join at the midpoint of both the back neck collar line and as well as front neck width. So after this is done, now the width of the front neck which is there about 3 inches, the same 3 inches you have to extend that line towards the back. So from the center front, mark 3 inches and draw a line joining that point. Now use a French curve to draw a curved line, and again from this point to neck deep you can use a armhole curve, a bigger one which is there, so you can use that, or you can use a hip curve scale as well to draw the shape line. And once finished, draw a terminology, that is a grain line. So this helps at the time of cutting on the fabric. So once after the pattern is done, and cut the pattern accordingly. This is how the pattern looks after cutting. Now make a mark exactly at the center line that we drew. So like this, fold it on the reversible direction exactly on the line, folding of the collar, and again now folding of the back collar, fold it on the line exactly, mark it neatly, and then again this on the mark, fold it towards the right side itself. First fold the back neck collar, and again now you can fold the front one. So while folding you have to make a pleat. This pleat you can make it according to the requirement, how much closer you need towards the center front. So this is what is mainly you have to focus on, the pleat closeness towards the center front. So now it's done. So now you can see the shawl collar variation. Pleats. Now fold the back neck. Once after folding, this is how the pattern looks. So from the front view of the shawl collar pattern. Thank you.